One smart monkey has a big dream. He wants to build a banana empire. Not just one stall, an entire jungle full of banana trees. But there's a problem. 0 leaves. No money, only ambition. He even tried robbing the jungle bank. That was very embarrassing. So instead of crime, he chooses strategy. He goes to the rich jungle monkeys and says, "Give me leaves today. When my banana business grows, you will own a small piece of it." That small piece is called a stock. When they buy it, they become part owners. Now he has money, but he does not buy a shiny jungle sports car. He plants more banana trees. More trees mean more bananas. More bananas mean more profit. When the business makes profit, he can share part of it. Those payments are called dividends. Investors earn bananas without planting trees themselves. Smart monkeys like that. Now, the jungle gets confused. Stocks and shares sound the same, but there's a small difference. Stock means ownership in the company. Shares are the small pieces of that ownership. If stock is the banana tree, shares are individual bananas. The more shares a monkey owns, the bigger percentage of the empire he controls. Different types of stocks. Big, old jungle companies grow slowly, but safely. These are blue chip stocks. Small jungle startups can grow very fast or crash very fast. These are penny stocks. Big reward, big risk. Where do monkeys buy and sell stocks? In the jungle marketplace. Humans call it the stock market. When prices rise, it's called a bull market because bulls charge forward. When prices fall, it's a bear market because bears swipe downward. Bull means confidence, bear means fear. Sometimes monkeys don't want to choose just one company, so they buy a basket of many companies. That basket is called a fund. One famous example is the S&P 500. It includes 500 of the biggest companies. When you invest in it, you own small pieces of many businesses at once. Less risk, more balance. There are also special funds. They use advanced and risky strategies. They can make huge profits or huge losses. These are hedge funds. Usually only very rich monkeys can join, not beginners. Why do banana stock prices change? More buyers than sellers, price rises. Business expands, price rises. Bad news spreads, price falls. Even rumors can shake the jungle. Stock prices move because of supply, demand, and expectations. Slow down for last word. Expectations. Important warning. This video is for education only. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey.